In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your gender and type soul. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change the gender for a pre-existing character that you have on type soul. Of course, if you are creating a new character, you will be able to choose and create there. But here, if you already have an existing character, what you have to do is open your inventory and then go over to the third page where you will be able to see a lot of dev products. So press N on your keyboard, go over to your inventory and switch to the third page. Now, whenever you click on any of these dev products, you will be able to purchase them for Robux. Usually, these will be related to rerolling stats, rerolling um, attributes, and other stuff about your character. And as you might expect, one of them is going to allow you to reroll your gender. So you will be able to find name/gender change. And to my knowledge, this is the only way to do it. I don't know of any other method to do it without Robux, but I have heard people say that if you are able to get a hold of a code that gives you this item, you would be able to do this. These codes are given out periodically and they are random, so just be on the lookout for any code that allows you to do this. But if you get this specific name/gender change, you will be able to purchase it for 350 Robux. And as the name suggests, after you use this item, you will get to customize your character again, changing the name and the gender. Now, sadly, I won't be able to demonstrate it in this video, but this is all you have to do. After you get it changed, your character will appear with the new gender or the new name. If you want to input a code, click on this little gift icon and you will be able to input it here. Now, once again, like I mentioned, I don't have a code to demonstrate, but if you were able to get one that gives you the name/gender change, that is all that you would have to do. The item would appear on your inventory or under the dev's products, and you would just have to use it. I hope I was able to help you on how to change your gender in type soul. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.